Being at NEPIRC, I've had the opportunity to learn a lot about manufacturing. In my role as a business advisor, I've had the pleasure to meet with a multitude of manufacturers and learn about them and their goals and the challenges that they face. But the one thing in particular that stands out to me about the manufacturing industry is the career opportunities that are available. And those opportunities are available to an array of skill sets, education levels, and experience. So it could be someone recently graduated from high school to someone in an advanced degree and everyone in between. There's job opportunities available, and it's not just a chance to earn a great pay and good benefits, but a lot of our local manufacturers also offer career paths. So you have opportunities for upward mobility, which I just think is fantastic, and I would love to see more people consider careers in manufacturing.